Guys, it's Greg Jones with Engine Builder. We are at the 2025 Ultimate Callout Challenge. We're in the SPE Motorsport booth, joined by Chance Sabala. Behind us here is a 52 Ford F100 with a compound turbo, 6.7 liter Powerstroke, and it's our diesel of the week.
Engine Builder's Diesel of the Week is sponsored by AMSOIL, the first in synthetics.
Chance.
Pleasure, guys.
Yeah, pleasure. Nice meeting you. Thanks for giving us a little bit of time here.
No problem.
You know, we were just walking by the booth and saw this truck, and we saw the 6.7 Powerstroke, and this thing is awesome.
Absolutely, yeah.
So we want to know a little bit more about the combination, a little bit more about what you guys did here. So if you would, walk us through kind of the history of this project in particular.
Well, everybody knows SPE for doing 6.7 stuff, and Dan's been doing standalone 6.7s for years, but obviously stock ECU stuff. So he got this truck a while back and had it sitting. I always wanted a 6.7 swap it, so we gotten with Motec, started getting all the Motec stuff squared away, and eventually just brought over to our fab side of the shop and said, hey guys, get this stuff all mounted up. This is actually a built motor by us, well, by Dan himself. Came out of our old rail. We're building a new one, so that's why the motor came out of it. Okay. It's been together for like 8 years, but just a standard built motor by Dan, just Carrillo HD rods, stock coated cut pistons by him, our head studs, but no girdle, no mains, just honestly just kind of like a rod 6.7 essentially. Slapped in this thing, got all fired up. It's got a set of 150 over exergy injectors in it, 10 mil pump in the valley, stock CP3 with our dual fueler kit on the belt routing system. Has our T4 setup with a 370 in the valley. Our compound setup with a 480/96 up top. This one he did gate. Our off-the-shelf kits we don't gate, but he wanted to gate this one. It's got a 4R100 behind it. I said on Motec, Dan did built the whole wiring harness himself and everything like that. And now it's just kind of his weekend cruiser and taking the track whenever he wants to.
Okay.
So
cool. Yeah, I was just going to ask what the application might be. So.
Like I said, it's more of a weekend cruiser when he wants to. It's capable to run down the track. We thought about running it this weekend, but had too much going on and everything like that. So it still has the ability to take the track, but I mean, it's got a big old radiator in it, so you can take him and the old lady in it, just go cruising down the road with it on the weekend, and just kind of something, like I said, it's got a lot of bolt-on parts on it. So everything you see on this, we typically we sell for the 6.7 Powerstroke. Obviously, some of it's a little custom just due to the chassis it's in, but it's just something that we can throw all of our parts on and everything like that, show the customers what it's capable of and everything like that, and old rig.
That's awesome. So. Yeah, and I'm sure most people don't expect a diesel to be inside this thing.
Yeah, well, especially a 6.7 alone too. So yeah, it's gets a lot of looks. It's fun mix. I mean, it's probably about on fuel right now about 1,000 horsepower the tire, maybe a little over 1,000. It's not turned up super high right now, but when he does take the track, he's gonna spray the hell out of it with some nitrous and everything like that, and see how fast we can go with it eventually.
So how much nitrous is on it?
Well, we'll dump a whole 10-pound bottle in a quarter-mile pass if we want to with it. Yeah, so just depends on track conditions and stuff like that, but it'll take a lot. Yeah. It'll take a lot.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Well, Chance, let us know if we're leaving anything out. You gave us a nice rundown there of what's in the 6.7. Anything else about the truck in particular?
No, not really. I mean, Dan did all this stuff inside it. It's like I said, he wired in the Motec PDM. It's all controlled via the PDM and everything like that. It does have a sequential shifter in it for the 4R, so he literally just shifts it with a sequential shifter like that. It's got a little lever to go between park, neutral, and drive that looks like almost like a little parachute lever between the seat, but shifting wise, it's all done via a sequential shifter in it. Other than that, it's 52, so there's not much going on inside other than a couple seats and the steering wheel and stuff. Other than that, it's on a 315 radial out back, 15x12 wheels. It's got a big old Kodiak radiator in the back, like I said, so it can still drive in midsummer and not get hot and everything like that. It's got an air-to-air setup on it, obviously. All this is all built in-house. All the fab work for the turbo kit and everything like that's all done in-house. All of our quick clamps are on it, so we didn't do any silicone boots as far as charge piping goes. It's got a big old fuel pump on it for base pressure, and I mean, other than that, I said just about everything else we make that bolts onto a 6.7. So.
Yeah. Well, again, it looks killer, and we appreciate you walking us through some of the details of what you guys in it. And I'm sure this thing's fun to drive.
Keep an eye out for it. More ODSS events. It'll eventually hit the track when we get a little bit more time, like I said. But for now, we're just didn't have the time to coordinate all that stuff for this event. But like I said, it'll be out on the track at the events, everything like that running. And
cool.
So.
Well, we look forward to seeing it out there.
Absolutely.
Chance, appreciate the time.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah,
Thank you guys.
Much.
Take care.
All right, guys, well, that does it for this episode of Diesel of the Week. Make sure you guys are checking out everything that Chance and their team are doing at SPE Motorsport. And as always, make sure you're checking out EngineBuilderMag.com for more great engine and diesel content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hey, while I've got you guys here, I wanted to tell you about Find a Builder. It's a new microsite on EngineBuilderMag.com that's great for both engine shops and for potential customers looking to get engine work done. If you're an engine builder, this site is a place where you guys can list your shop and what you guys do to potential customers through EngineBuilderMag.com. It's an easy subscription-based microsite that'll let you guys connect to a new audience. And if you're a potential customer looking to get engine work done, this is a source to help you guys find a shop that's in your area or one that specializes in the type of engine work that you're trying to get done. Make sure you guys are checking out Find a Builder on EngineBuilderMag.com. Thanks.